Well, this is from my window. I'm not outside, but this is my parking lot taken from my window at 4 p.m. on the Saturday of the big snow. Here's the front of my apartment. Ooh, at 4:30 on Saturday of the big snow. Still snowing, 20 inches, I think. I'm taking this through the door at 4:30 on the day of the big snow. 20 inches out there. I think it's 20. And it's blowing and still snowing. And those are cars. And this is my back of my apartment building. I've opened the door of the apartment and there's a car right by the door at the back of the building. And it's still snowing. Bad.